Oh, this feels really good. And also this. Oh, and after doing this for like just a minute, well, I feel really, really good. Now this massage gun, I have actually 2 of them to give away. If you want to learn how to get it for free, go to my tech channel, link below the video and probably in the corner cards, to watch the full review, and I talk about the giveaway so you can have 1 of them for free. This massage gun actually has brought quite a few breakthroughs in my life regarding my performance and emotions. How is that possible? Well, you know about if you have watched my channel regularly, you probably know about tapping techniques and like EFT tapping, TFT tapping, faster EFT, etc. And so what it does the tapping but on steroids. So when I have some resistance to doing some work or something else, it usually manifests in the body. So instead of doing the tapping, which takes a long time, usually I need to repeat it many days over, a few weeks, for example, before it really works. This thing, I turn it on, I start attacking wherever it is in my body, and it dissolves the issue in a minute or 2, 3 max, and maybe I need to repeat it once again. It's incredible, and it's really powerful. So it will change if I start massaging my chest. It will change the way I speak. So listen to that. So yeah. So now can you hear I'm speaking a different way? Yeah. I'm not doing any special effects. This is the massage gun affecting my lungs. So it's pretty powerful. And this is on the first gear. And there are 5 gears, and I talk about this in my other video. So I can regulate the power through pressing, through the way I touch it, and various other attachments. So if you're looking for help with your emotional issues, I cannot believe it, but I am recommending a massage gun for that. Dealing with emotional issues, if you've got some trauma, some, stresses at work, at home, wherever, stress in life, a massage gun can actually dissolve those issues. I couldn't believe it myself. It has given me breakthrough in with 2 things I was stuck with, and it's just an amazing massage gun as well. It's not a gimmick. So watch my full review on the tech channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care.